Hi guys, today we're going to be playing NDS, except there's a hacker found by my sister. Okay, we're in, and the hackers are like right here. One of them is C_Alvin, the other one is right here, CWE. There's also some other hackers I don't know about. So, if you see these guys in a game or you found them while searching someone's name, please report them immediately because they're hackers. Anyways, I'm not going to be talking that much in this video because this voiceover thing is really hard, so yeah. Look, he's hacking. He's literally flying and the truck just exploded. RIP whoever's in the truck. Anyways, I'm gonna go in here for a while. Okay, I'm gone because you know what, anything could happen. Okay, so the disaster is meteorites. Okay, so this guy's doing a random dance here. Should I die so I can check out the tower? Bruh, this is literally him hacking right here. This is what I've been telling you guys about. He's right now hacking. But he is fighting off the asteroids. What a hero. For real, for real. Now he took some part of the house or barn. I forgot what it's called. I think it's a barn. Anyways. Now the house. What the hell? By the way, guys, I played some of this before, like in the server before recording, just to see if there's actually a hacker, and the tower itself literally was breaking apart, and we couldn't even survive in there. Natural disasters were happening in there. Let's go up here. It could be a tsunami. I think it might be a tsunami because the clouds are not turning gray. Can I jump over here? No. Oh man, I really want to jump over there. Oh look, he's literally flying right now. Bruh, he's saying to get on him. Wait, how can I get on him? He's like all the way up there. Wait, I'm gonna try. Should I? Oh wait, he's gone down. Okay, that'll be much easier. I'm on the hacker. He's now my personal. I'm not gonna say it actually. Bruh, someone's above me. Bruh, everyone jump on here. It's a free survive because y'all are not gonna survive up there. Bruh, there's 3 people here. I think I might fall off. See? RIP whoever was on the tower. Oh wait. How did some people survive up there? Oh wait, I think this guy might be pushing me. Now I'm on your head, haha. Oops, I accidentally fell, but how did I survive? Okay, so let me look in the chat after I climb up here because it might be flash flood. Oh, bruh. I fell once. Bruh, it's so hard playing on mobile sometimes. It's really annoying. This is like gonna be my last game, by the way. So if I die, I die. Oh, he said it's flash flood. Alvin said it's flash flood. If it's flash flood, you know that Alvin guy is also a hacker. Okay, we're all the way on the top now. Does this thing give us anything? Bruh, look, it says flash flood. So this Alvin guy is also a hacker. I heard there's like another guy, Goddamned Gojo. He's also a hacker, but I don't see him anywhere. Oh, I died. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Why the hell is this skin? Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.